This painting line features 2 robotic spray coating booths and 1 manual booth for fully coating the axle parts. System is integrated with 2 paint kitchens for a safe and isolated environment for paint preparation. Robotic spray booths features a semi-downdraft airflow, which provides optimal overspray control for parts with similar geometry. Additionally, dry filters are used to efficiently capture overspray particles during the application process. Now let's take a quick look at the manual spray coating booth. This booth is designed for the operator to manually retouch specific areas of the parts. It features a downdraft airflow and floor plates that allow the operator to move around the part and spray from all angles. Whether you're planning a new installation or looking to upgrade your existing line, our team is ready to support you with experience-driven solutions designed around your needs. Feel free to reach out to explore how we can collaborate.